Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you guys are doing good. Yes, I know I'm back after a long time, after 2 years I believe. So मैं ये सोच रही थी like how should I begin, what video I need to post like to restart my channel. So here I am cause I love food and today I'm gonna try making the Haryali chicken for the first time. So I thought why not I share with you all कि ये अच्छा बनेगा या how it's gonna turn out. So yeah, we will prepare the dinner together and we're gonna make the Hyderabadi Haryali chicken. So I got the chicken from the Walmart. I got some chicken breast and the chicken thighs. So I'm gonna mix them together and the rest I can just use it later on. So yeah, the first step is to clean the chicken properly and then later after I'm gonna show you the steps like how you need to marinate the chicken. So I plan to make the chicken like randomly, so I'm not gonna put it for longer time. Max to max I'm gonna leave it for 30 or 40 minutes. But अगर आप इसको ज़्यादा time तक marinate करके रखेंगे, that's gonna be obviously much more flavorful. Okay, so let's start the process. So I'm just gonna take one chicken breast and I'm gonna use all of the chicken thighs because I love chicken thighs. And then the leftovers I can eat tomorrow because it's Sunday, so I don't have to cook anything. And yes, it's nothing related to the recipe, but I recently got the haircut. Just a little makeover. You can let me know how does it look like because my friends and my colleague like they keep on telling me like this hairstyle suits me the most because I was really scared because तब तक मेरे बाल काफी लंबे हो चुके थे. So I think I even start liking this new hairstyle. So I cleaned the chicken and now it's time for the marination. So for that I put some coriander powder, garam masala, zira powder and some salt and 1 cup of curd, and then I'm gonna put ginger garlic paste. So I already put everything there, it's just the ginger garlic paste which is left, so I'm just gonna put 2 teaspoons of the ginger garlic paste because the ghee was in the fridge and it's freezing cold right now. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, you need to put 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder as well. So I'm gonna see you in 30 minutes. Okay, so it's time to prepare the green chutney, like जिससे green color पूरा आएगा. That's why we call Haryali chicken. So for that we need pudina, mint leaves, and some coriander, dhania, and green chilies. जो मैं like the process that I'm following, they didn't give any ratio like कितना use करना है, so I'm just taking it accordingly like as per the chicken. So I'm making 1 kg chicken and I'm just using like handful of pudina and handful of the dhania and 4 or 5 chilies because the green chilies that I have they're way too spicy. So you can have it accordingly depending upon you. कुछ chilies like spicy होती हैं, कुछ नहीं होती हैं. So the one I have is super spicy. So अभी like I'm just doing my पत्ती अलग-अलग यहाँ से from this stem ताकि इसका flavor ना आए क्योंकि हमें इसको पीसना है बाद में. तो once it's done, I will put some dhania and this pudina. उसके बाद we need to like golden brown करनी है हमको अब प्याज को. Then we gonna make a mixture and that mixture will go into the marination. Okay. I know it sounds so complicated, but trust me, it's very easy. If I can do it, you can do it too, because I'm very lazy. So we need 4 onions, like medium-sized onion, और उसको हमें chop करना है. And then we need to golden brown those onions, and make sure to use like the refined oil. Because I know we people sometimes use mustard oil or maybe olive oil, but to get the proper flavor, make sure to use the refined oil. So I'm still waiting कि प्याज जल्दी से brown हो. I think मैंने ज़्यादा प्याज ले ली. उन्होंने बोला था कि I need to take 4 medium onion, but मैंने I think यहाँ का थोड़ा size बड़ा था, so I took a bit more. So it's taking a bit long, but I'm not gonna use the whole onion. मैं उसमें से थोड़ा निकाल दूँगी. And for the other preparation, as per like I'm making 1 kg chicken, I'm using 12, I think 12 काजू. I'm gonna use it. And for now मैंने गर्म पानी में soak कर दिया है so that they can become more softer. Till the time onion ready हो रही है, ये soft हो जाएंगे. And yes, let me tell you one thing. अगर आप कुकिंग करते करते अपना खाना बनाते में enjoy नहीं कर रहे हो ना, इतनी मेहनत कर लो, खाना अच्छा नहीं बनेगा. So you need to enjoy the cooking and you need to have lot of patience. So that's what I'm doing, and I love cooking food occasionally, not daily, because I work full time, so I cannot be like cooking each day, which I have to do sometimes. But yeah, whenever I do cooking, guys, you need to enjoy your cooking, okay? So don't forget that. That's the tip number 2. Don't forget that. रखे हैं, so it's gonna make it a bit softer. ये chicken marinate हो रहा है यहाँ पे, and this is the thing which I showed you earlier. So yeah, so the onions are almost done. And अभी it's very hot. अभी मैं थोड़ा सा इसको एक bowl में निकाल के I'm gonna wait for it to get cooled down. And so here comes the help, the mystery man. He's not gonna show up, but yeah, he's helping me out. प्याज हमारी हो गई, and now I'm gonna wait for some time कि थोड़ा like ये थोड़ा room temperature पे आ जाए, cause I don't use my mixture like कुछ भी ऐसे गरम मसाला या गरम paste से, because it's not good. It's not at all good. So be careful. So प्याज ठंडी हो गई है. I'm gonna put it in the mixture. All good. So on a mutual decision, we decided not to use the whole one. So I'm gonna leave a little bit. And that's it. So let's go and grind it and make a paste. So we don't need the smoothie. We just need the regular one. So the mixture is ready, and ये mixture जो आपने chicken marinate कर रखा था उसमें आपको mix करना है. So now just mix it well, the chicken. So we're just gonna shallow fry it. बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट आ रहा है, like I'm sorry, बहुत अच्छा स्मेल कर रहा है ये ऑलरेडी. आई डोंट नो जब तक ये बनेगा तब तक क्या और फ्लेवर आना है. आई एम श्योर इट्स गोना बी वे टू गुड, क्योंकि अभी जब मैं इसको फ्राई कर रही हूँ ना इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. ओह माय गॉड, आई एम हंग्री. आई एम so hungry. And I'm not gonna make any rotis with that. I already got the naan. So I just need to prepare the chicken and then it's all ready to eat. So थोड़ा सा चिकन मैंने इसको हल्का सा शैलो फ्राई कर दिया है. नाउ आई एम गोना पुट ऑल द चिकन, हो गया था टाइम मैरिनेट हुए हुए. So बाकी तो सारा चिकन भी गोना पुट इट हियर. So that's how it looks like after 15 minutes. And now you need to put some garam masala, coriander powder, jeera powder, and little bit of black pepper powder. Okay. And then we need to cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes, depending upon like chicken का क्या cooking कितना पका है वो. So just check it out because that's gonna be the last step. And once it's done, it's all ready to eat. So it looks really good and it smells like heaven. And this is my first time trying Haryali chicken. I'm so excited to try it. I have always seen it like in the videos, so I thought of giving it a try. Honestly, I love it. जिस तरीके से कलर आ रहा है, and hopefully after 15-20 minutes, depending upon like chicken कितना cook हुआ है, it's gonna be next level. So let's wait for another 15-20 minutes, and I will give you the update. So it's finally done. Oh my God! Look at this. my goodness, this is so good. Oh my god, love it. Love the color, love the texture, and love how it smells. Oh my goodness. So I'm not gonna have it right now. I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes, just let it sit for a while, and then I'm gonna have it. Because it's super hot and it definitely needs its own time to settle down. So I will show you the final look of the chicken. Because खाना तभी अच्छा लगता है जब आप थोड़ा देर उसको रख दें. And then after few minutes, like 10-15 minutes, it's all good to eat. See you later. So we'll wait for a few more minutes and then we're gonna have our dinner. क्योंकि हम बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे हैं खाना खाने का. It's finally 10:15 and I'm so hungry, so hungry. मुझे तो उसकी खुशबू इतनी अच्छी लग रही है कि मुझे लग रहा है मैं अभी खा लूँ, but I know it's not the right time. So I have to wait for a few minutes ताकि और अच्छा टेस्ट लगे. Till the time, let's watch some movie. It's Christmas time, so definitely I'm gonna play a Christmas movie. Let's go. So finally it's ready and it's time for tasting. Oh my god, I'm so hungry right now. Look at this. Can you see this? Yum. Outstanding. It's too good, guys. You should give it a try. I love it. I have no words. The flavors, the freshness, it's too good. So yes guys, अब टाइम हो गया मेरा डिनर करने का. इतनी मेहनत करी. सब मिलते हैं नई वीडियो में किसी नई चीज के साथ. And yeah, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and take care. Bye.